हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, आपण पाठीमागील व्हिडिओमध्ये 10th स्टँडर्ड मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट सेकंडमध्ये सर्कल या चॅप्टरमधील टँजंट थेरम, टँजंट सिगमेंट्स थेरम अँड प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.1 हा पार्ट आपण पाहिलेला आहे. आता आपण या चॅप्टरमधील पुढील कन्सेप्ट पाहणार आहोत. टचिंग सर्कल्स. या ठिकाणी आपण दोन ऍक्टिव्हिटी करणार आहोत. त्यातली पहिली ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे, त्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये आपण 3 कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स घेणार आहोत. त्याच्यामध्ये पहिल्यांदा आपण AC ही रेडियस घेऊन आणि A हा सेंटर घेऊन एक सर्कल कन्स्ट्रक्ट केलं. त्याच पद्धतीनं B सेंटर घेऊन आणि BC इतकी रेडियस घेऊन दुसरं सर्कल आपण या ठिकाणी कन्स्ट्रक्ट केलं आणि ती दोन्ही सर्कल्स C या एकाच पॉइंट मध्ये इंटरसेक्ट होतात. आणि त्यानंतर आपण या C मधून जाणारी लाईन L ही अशा पद्धतीने कन्स्ट्रक्ट केली की ती सिगमेंट AB ला परपेंडिक्युलर असेल. Look at it. It is a perpendicular to the segment AB. Then what happened here? A circle with center A and center B intersect each other at a single point C, and the line L is a perpendicular to the AB. Henceforth, we say that line L is a common tangent to that circles with center A and B. That similar way, we do the activity number second here. Take 3 collinear points. Here C is a between of A and B. Draw a circle with center A and a radius AC. Okay. Also draw a circle with center B and a radius BC. Both circles intersect each other at a single point C. Afterward, construct a line L passing through the point C and perpendicular to the segment AC. Okay. Now, what happened here? In both the cases or in both the activities, here line L is a common tangent to both the circles. Okay. From that activity first and second, touching circles can be defined as if a circle lies in the same plane, touches each other at a single point, then that circles are known as the touching circles. And the common point is known as point of contact. Here point C is a point of contact. But in the first activity, that circles intersect each other externally, then that circles are known as externally touching circles. And in activity number second, that circles touches each other at a single point internally, and henceforth we say internally touching circles. Okay, let's recall activities. Take 3 collinear points A, C, B. Draw a circle with center A and radius AC. Draw another circle with center B and radius BC. A circle with centers A and B touches or intersect each other at one and only one point C. Afterward, draw a line L perpendicular to the segment AB passing through C. Note that line L is a common tangent, and here that two circles intersect each other externally or touches each other externally. Henceforth, that circles are said to be externally touching circles. Okay, and their common point C is known as a point of contact. Similar way, take 3 points, 3 collinear points A, C, B. Here C is between of A and B. That is similar way. And construct a circle with center A and radius AC. Draw another circle with center B and radius BC. both the circles intersect each other at a single point C. Afterward, draw a line L perpendicular to the segment AC. Okay, note that this line L is a common tangent to the circle with center A and B. Okay, and that both the circles intersect or touches each other internally, and henceforth we say that the circles are known as the internally touching circles. Okay, now we are going towards the next concept, is that the theorem of touching circles. Statement of theorem of touching circles is that if two circles touch each other, their point of contact lies on the line joining their centers. The given part, here the two circles touch each other. Let we take the two circles with centers A and B touches each other at a point C externally, and that similar way we take the circles with centers A and B touches internally at point C. That means here we take the C is between of A and B. That means from that given conditions we construct the figure here. Okay, now what is to prove? Their point of contact lies on the line joining their centers. Okay, we write the given from that figure. Point C is a point of contact of two circles with centers A and B. Now to prove. What is to prove? Their point of contact lies on the line joining their centers. That means the point C lies on the line AB. Point C lies on line AB. That means here, in shortly, C is a between of A and B. Now, proof. Line L is a common tangent. It is a common tangent passing through C in both the cases of a two touching circles. Now, look at here. Therefore, we say that line L is a perpendicular to the segment AC. Okay. Also, line L is a perpendicular to the segment BC. That is, we say that segment AC is a perpendicular to the line L. Also, segment BC is a perpendicular to the line L. Therefore, we say that through C, only one line perpendicular to the line L can be drawn. म्हणजे इथे काय होणार आहे? पॉइंट सी मधून जाणारी व लाईन एल ला परपेंडिक्युलर असणारी फक्त आपण या ठिकाणी एकच लाईन कन्स्ट्रक्ट करू शकणार आहोत. दॅट इज पॉइंट सी इज अ बिटवीन ऑफ पॉइंट ए अँड बी. दॅट मीन्स द पॉइंट ए सी बी आर अ कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स and hence we say that the point C lies on the line AB, and hence the theorem of touching circles is proved here. Understand? Now we stop here. We will meet in the next video. Be safe and take care.